Good morning. Welcome to my humble abode, also my oasis of happiness. I love this little thing. Now, it's been a rainy day in Utah today. A couple months ago, I would have just been stressed out the whole time because I had a couple leaks I hadn't finished fixing, but I replaced all water damage and did a little bit different design, used different materials, completely leak-free, so now I can just enjoy the pitter-patter of rain on the roof. It was a sweet. I slept so well last night. Anyway, the van's still not done. I apologize to you guys and myself because I've been living in this for the past five and a half months now without it complete. It's because I've been fighting forest fires this summer. It hasn't been a super busy summer, but I'm still gone. Probably back like only a handful of days a month, and I just haven't been able to work on my van as much as I wanted to. But I have been able to save 100% of my fire income because of living in this van. I just save everything, live in this van, I keep my expenses really low, and then when I'm back, I work like 2 weeks and I get 2 days off. And on those 2 days off, because Mandy's not here, I just like to work more. So I have a friend that owns a tree company and I go cut trees for him. So I'm actually off to do that today. I've got my big boy out for today's job. But anyway, I've got the backsplash, I've got it all, but I just need to install it. Backup board's on. It's the same as before. I still got to put my floors in, do a little bit of painting first. Got my power over here so I keep my phone charged because I'm on call 24/7. But yeah, I'm hoping to get this done in the next month. Fire season's winding down, so I'm going to have a lot more time to work on it. And then I'm actually going to sell this van. I want to get it all the way done first, just because I don't like starting a project and not finishing it. But I've been able to save a fair amount of money, and me and Mandy are gonna buy a house. So that's the plan. With the money I've saved up living in this van and my previous vans, I'm gonna put a big chunk of money down for a down payment, and we will hopefully be homeowners this winter. And it's all thanks to living in the van and this kind of lifestyle. So I just wanted to give you guys an update. I'm gonna make videos. I just work about 110 hours a week. So if you do the math, I don't have much time off. I wake up, work from 6 a.m. till 10:30 because in the state of Utah we have to show a 30-minute lunch, which is stupid because we don't get a lunch on the fire line. But anyway, work till 10:30 and sleep. So I don't get much time to myself. Anything else interesting? Oh, other ways I save money is lots of times, so I don't have my sink completely installed yet, so instead of washing dishes from cooking, I just eat military rations, and these are from fire camps. They're expired and outdated, so sometimes I sneak over to the fire camp dumpster and see what they've got in there, and I grab a couple boxes of MREs. If you've ever served in the military, you know these. They're horrible, they're not good, but I eat them because they're free. So my radio wasn't working, if you remember, so I pulled it all apart and I was gonna fix it. Got a new radio, got it installed. I was really proud I got it all figured out, and then I discovered that only 1 out of my 6 speakers work. So my next task is to put some new speakers in here. I'll get some good ones so I can jam out to music in here. That's why my dashboard's off right now. Other things, I've been driving a lot more in the city. I've been averaging probably, I'm just gonna stop at a stop sign, don't drive in video. I've been averaging 13 to 14 miles per gallon because I've been doing mostly city driving, which I'm honestly pretty happy about. Like, there's trucks that get much worse than that without a truck, camper, or a Hightop. So I'm happy with 13, 14, 15 miles per gallon. On the highway I can get 15 miles per gallon, which I think is really good for this van, this age, this size. I took it, so in Utah you have to do emissions testings to make sure you're not doing too much pollution, and it passed. I was a little bit surprised, but it passed no problem with flying colors. I was really happy about that. But I'm off to work. Hopefully it stops raining so I don't get dumped on, and then I'll get that backsplash installed this weekend, get some painting done, and get my hardwood floors, and I'm so excited for my hardwood floors. I can't wait to get those in. So like I said, all of my fire paycheck, it goes straight into my savings and I don't touch it. The money I live off of is the money I make doing these side jobs my days off. Because tree cutting's a pretty lucrative job because it's dangerous. You can climb up in the trees, we use cranes, we use heavy equipment, but we get the job done. You can make a couple $100s a day. So I'm off to do that today. I'll go make probably, what time is it? make $250 today, use that money to buy more stuff for my van, as well as some food, and that way I'm not touching any of my fire paycheck. I'm still on call, so I get paranoid every time I get a text message. Okay, it's all good. It's my beautiful wife. I love her so much. Sweet. Anyway, fire season's coming to an end. I'm gonna finish this van. Got a couple other loose ends I gotta finish up in Utah. I'll go back to Colorado, pick up my wife, and we're gonna move out to the Oregon coast. So if anyone's out there, or if anyone's interested in this van, once it's done, I'm gonna finish it. Let me know. I will be putting it on the market at a affordable, fair price. Have a great day, guys, and I will see you next time I make a video, which, hold me to it, it's going to be less than 2.5 weeks from now. I'm going to make a video. I can do it. Have a great day, guys. Stay safe out there.